Hello students, how are you? I hope so. You all are fine. I, Manju Rangwal, your mathematics teacher, welcomes you on your online class. I hope so. You all are enjoying regular virtual classes or video classes. That's right. Am I right? I hope so. You all are enjoying, you know? You have enjoyed the Zoom class also. So, can you say which one class you feel that is good for you? Can you compare? Yeah, that is the thing. And now next class, you can discuss the doubt class in the Zoom. Whatever the doubts are there, you can ask. So our today's topic, this is continuity, that is rational number. This is part 3, our part 3 of rational number. Till now what we have done, I hope so all the concepts are clear to you students. Now today I'll be going to explain you addition, multiplication and subtraction of a rational number. Okay, first topic is addition. Clear? Addition of rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers. That's right. Addition of rational number. There is a cases. Open your book. Page number 27. Everyone open very fast. Page number 27. This is given when rational numbers have the same denominator. Same denominator you have done till now from the previous class, like we are having the example 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. What it will be? 2 plus 4 by 5, which is equal to 6 by 5. This is with the common denominator when the same denominators are. That's right. Now case 2, when one denominator is a multiple of the other. If the question is 11 by 36 plus 15 by 18. Okay, here 36 is a multiple of 18. Means when one denominator is a multiple of the other denominator. So what it will be? We can make it 36 by what? By multiplying 2 by 2. What it will be? Minus 11 by 36 plus 30 by 36. This is also simple. Now the same denominators are there. So we can do minus 11 plus 30 by 36. Now we will be subtract 10 and 30 minus 10 is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. But it will be 19 by 36. Always keep it in mind. Whatever the bigger digit in front of it, what is the sign? That sign you have to put at the last. Clear students? Now next concept is when the denominator are co-prime. Co-prime means the numbers which is having common factor only 1. Okay, common factor only 1. Like example is 3 by 7 and 4 by 5. We are adding. So 7 and 5, there is other than 1, no one common factor. Okay, only 1 is common factor. So what we will be do? We can make the same denominator 3 by 7 multiply 5 by 5. Okay, which is 15 by 35. Clear? Or 4 by 5 into 7 by 7, which is equals to 28 by 35. Now common denominator means same denominator. We can add 15 by 35 plus 28 by 35. Clear? What is it? 35. So 15 plus 28. 28 plus 10. 38. 38 plus 5. 43. 43 by 35. Now we can write it in mixed fraction. 8 by 35. Is it clear to you students? These topics we have covered. Now next, what is it? Next page number 28. When denominators have a common factor. When we are having the common factor in the denominators. Okay? There is different situations. So you can do by that method, or the easiest way that you have to take out the directly LCM, which I'll be explaining to you the exercise question. That's right. If we are going to add 5 by 18 plus 7 by 12. So when denominator have a common factor, what is the common factor? means we are going to find out the LCM. LCM 18 and 12 LCM. 18 to the 36 and 12 3 is a 36. So 36 is the LCM. LCM of 18 and 12, that is 36. So we can make the denominator as 36 or we can do directly. First I am making the denominator as 36. Multiplying 2 by 2. This is 10 by 36. Okay. Next is 7 by 12 into 3 by 3. It's visible to you, everyone? Yes. Okay. So this is 21 by 36. Now we will be add both the number 10 by 36 plus 21 by 36. 36 is the same denominator, so it will be common, that is 10 plus 21, which is equal to 31 by 36. This is the way to add and to add only. Subtraction is different. Is it clear, students? Have you cleared? Now, students, we are learning how to subtract the rational numbers. Nothing is new, the same as you have done in the fractions. Question is, subtract 4 by 9 from minus 5 by 12. So we can write it simply minus 5 by 12. Student, always keep it in mind whatever is written after from. First of all, we have to write down that. You, the people, lots of people, even though sometimes the seniors also that mistake they are doing. So keep it in mind, we have to do this type of work. First of all, what we will be do? We will be write whatever is written after from, then minus because we are doing subtraction, then 4 by 9. Now, we have to take out the LCM of 12 and 9. What will be the LCM of 12 and 9? 12 3s are 36 and 9 4s are 36. So LCM will be 36. Okay, LCM, when we have taken out the LCM, or you can do, this is LCM is 36, so multiply 3 by 3, multiply 4 by 4. That's right. So what it will be? Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15 and 4 4s are 16. That's right. What it will be? Minus 31 by 36. This will be your answer. That's right, students. I hope so. You have to understand this concept of subtraction. Every subtraction, the way will be the same. So, students, you will be doing first examples, whatever is given in the book. I have explained most of the examples, so you will be doing whatever remaining as a practice. You will be mentioned practice of example and then you will be do that examples. Okay, sure. Now I am going for the topic multiplication of rational numbers. Now student, this is the topic multiplication of rational numbers. How to multiply the rational number. Find the product of minus 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So minus 5 by 7 multiply 9 by 11. What we will be do? We will be simply multiply because lower number is cancelled out. Okay. So minus 5 into 9 upon 7 into 11. What it will be gives us? Minus 45 by 77. That's right. Next, one more example I will tell you. Other example. Other example is find the product of 5 by 6 multiply minus 7 by 14 multiply 8 by 15. Okay students, so what we will be do to find out the product, what the way is 5 into minus 7 into 8 upon 6 into 14 into 15. This is the way we got. The easy way I want to tell you, no need to multiply all. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 7 ones are minus 1 and 7 twos are 14. That's right. 2 fours are 8 and 2 threes are 6. Whatever remaining numbers are there, this is also cancelled out. 2 twos are 4. That's right. What is it? 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 and it will be multiplied with 2. Minus 1 multiplied by, see, we are writing in this way. Minus 1 into 2 upon 3 into 1. This is 1 into 3. So what is it? Minus 2 by 9. That's all, student. These are the topic we have to cover in the exercise also. That's right. So your concept will be more clear after this example. We will go for the exercise. Clear? Student, now I am starting with exercise 3.2 after the explanation of the concept addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, now we are doing add. Add the following numbers, following rational numbers. So what is it? A part is 4 by 9. We are doing addition there. Written 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 9 means we are doing plus minus 7 by 9. As we have done in fractions, when the denominators are same, that is common denominator, what is it? 9. Then add only numerator, 4 plus minus 7. That's right. So what it will be? 4 plus minus is plus minus, minus, both the sign will be multiplied, minus 7 by 9. Now 4 minus 7, what it will be? 4 minus 7, that will be minus 3. Or we can do 7 minus 4, 3. But the sign of the bigger digit of 7, so we will be put minus 3 by 9. Which is equals to minus 1 by 3. We can convert it into lowest term. Is it clear? Now B part is minus 3 by 4 plus minus 5 by 4. Nothing is there. You can do very fast. This is minus 3 plus minus 5 upon 4. Because common denominator is there, so LCM will be 4. What it will be? Minus 3 plus minus minus 5 upon 4. Minus minus will be plus and the symbol of the greater digit. That will be this. So 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 2. What is the sum? That is minus 2. Is it clear, students? I am going to erase the board. For next part is C. This is minus 7 by 11. Plus 9 by 11. Again, the denominators are same, so we can write minus 7 plus 9 upon 11, which is equals to 2 by 11. Minus 7 plus 9, it will be subtracted, so 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, bigger digit is 9, so in front of it plus sign is there, answer will be positive. B part is minus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. What it will be? Minus 1 plus 3 by 5. Do you understand what I am doing? It is not a difficult task because we have done in the previous classes also. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 5. This is the answer of question number 1. Second question is also of sum, but in it denominators are different. So we will be try to make denominators same, or we can solve by taking out the LCM of the denominators. I am writing question number 2, first part. Note it down, students. First, question number 2, A part. What is it? 4 by 7 plus 3 by 4. Okay? I am thinking I have to take out the LCM because now you are in a class 7. So try to find out the LCM. LCM of 7 and 4. Both the numbers are totally different. They never lie in the same table. So the product of both the number is its LCM. 7 4s are 28. Okay, 28 is the LCM. 28 will be divided by 7. 28 divided by 7. 4 will be multiplied with 4. This is 16. This is the rule to solve. 28 will be divided by 4. 4 7s are, and 7 will be multiplied with 3. That is 21. What it will be? 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 37 by 28. Okay, now we can convert it into lowest term. Or lowest term we can't cancel out because they never lie in the same table, so we can write it into mixed fraction. 28 ones are 28. Okay, so what will be remaining? 1 and 1. 28 ones are 28. Okay, no, what is written? 28 ones are 28 plus 9. This will be 1, 9 by 28. Clear? 28 plus 9 is 20, 37. That's right. Now I am going to do next part. Minus 7 by 8 plus minus 4 by 3. LCM of 8 and 3, that is 24. Okay, now 24 is the LCM. 24 divided by 8, 3 into 7 is 21. 7 is minus, so it will be minus 21. Plus 24 divided by 3, that is 8. 8 into minus 4, minus 32. Okay, can we write minus 21 plus minus minus 32 by 24? What it will be? Minus minus will be plus. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, and 3 plus 2 is 5. Minus 53 by 24. That's right. As it is a negative number, so we are not writing it as a mixed fraction. We are writing as it is. Its next part. C part is minus 14 by 15. Minus 14 by 15 plus 7 by 5. Clear, friend? We have to take out the LCM. LCM of 15 and 5. 15 will lie in the table of 15 and 15 will lie in the table of 5 also. So what will be bigger number? This is 15. But it will be 15 will be the LCM. Now 15 as LCM. 15 divided by 15 is 1. 1 multiplied by minus 14 is minus 14. Plus 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. Okay. Minus 14 plus 21. That will be 7 by 15. What is the answer? 7. Why 7? Because 21 is greater than 14. In front of 14 minus sign and in front of 21 is plus sign. So answer will be 7 by 15. I am going to erase this part, student, B part. Now I am going to do D part. D part is this is 4 by 9 plus minus 7 by 11. Clear? Minus 7 by 11. LCM of 9 and 11 is 99. Both the numbers never lie in the same table, so the product of both the number is LCM. This is 99. 99 will be divided by 9. This is 11. 11 multiplied by 4 is 44. Plus 99 divided by 11 is 9. 9 multiplied by minus 7 is minus 63. That's right. Now what it will be? 44 plus minus minus 63 by 99. That's right. Now what it will be? This is 3 and this is 4. 13 minus 4 is 9. 5 minus 4 is 1. Minus 19 upon 99. This question number 3, subtract. Okay, student, what we are doing? Subtraction. A part is minus 3 by 4 from 1 by 2. Students, please keep it in mind, we can't write directly 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is the wrong method. Okay, whatever is written after the from, you the people most of the time oftenly do this mistake. So try to avoid this error. Whatever is written after from, we have to write down first 1 by 2. And then subtraction is there, so we are putting minus sign and this is minus 3 by 4. Clear? We have to take out the LCM of 2 and 4. What it will be? It's very easy. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? Yes, speak out. Yes, this is 4. Because both number lie in the table of 2 and the bigger number will be the LCM. That's right. So what is it? LCM is 4. 4 will be divided by 2. It will give you 2. 2 will be multiplied with 1. This is 2. That's right. This is the minus sign. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 1 will be multiplied with minus 3. It will give you minus 3. That's right. 2 minus minus plus 3 by 4. What will be the answer? 5 by 4. Which we can write 1 by 4. That's right. What will be the answer? 1 by 4. Note it down first, then I'll be go to erase the board and I'll be do B part. Minus 7 by 18 from minus 2 by 9. Again, what will be write down first? Speak out first. Speak out. Yes, minus 2 by 9 minus 7 by 18. Now, I am not writing the LCM. You have to understand what is it. LCM of 9 and 18 is 18. 18 divided by 9. What it will be? Yes, Manat, speak out. This is 2. 2 will be multiplied by minus 2. That is minus 4. This is minus. Sorry, we will be put first minus sign. Later will be changed. 18 divided by 18 is 1. 1 will be multiplied by minus 7. This will be minus 7. Okay, now next step is minus 4 will be as it is minus plus 7 upon 18. 7 minus 4 is 3 and the symbol of this 3 is plus because plus digit is greater than the minus digit. So what it will be? 1 by 6. 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 18. That's right, student. Its next part C. What is it? 4 by 17 from minus 8 by 34. Similarly, this is the LCM 17 and 34. This is 34. Both the number will lie in the table of 17. What is bigger number? I have not written the way. This we can write minus 8 by 34 minus 4 by 17. That's right. That's right. So 34. 34 will be divided by 34. It will give you 1. 1 will be multiplied by minus 8 is minus 8. That's right. Then minus sign is there. 34 will be divided by 17. 17 2s are 34 and 2 will be multiplied with 8. That is 8. Minus 8 minus 8. Minus will be plus. The symbol will be of greater digit. This is means both the digits are same. So we can put minus 16 upon 34. Which is both are even numbers. So it can be solved by 2. Minus 8 by 17. What will be the answer? Minus 8 by 17. A part, solve. Question number 4, solve A part. This is 4 by 7 minus 3 by 8. Okay, same. What will we do? We have to take out the LCM of 7 and 8. This is 56. Okay, 56 will be divided by 7. This is 8. 8 multiplied by 4. That is 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. Okay, this is minus and this is minus. Is 56 divided by 8 is 7. 7 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 21. That's right. So what it will be? 32 plus 21 upon 56. So what it will be? 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5. 53 by 56. This is the answer of the A part. Okay, B. Minus 9 by 10 plus 4 by minus 7. This minus we have to transport it in numerator, so we can write this. That's right. Is there any problem? No. 10 and 7 LCM will be 70. That's right. C, both product. So we can do the cross multiplication. 9 sevens are 63 minus 63 plus 10 fours are 40. This is negative, so minus 40. That's right. Minus 63 minus 40 plus minus minus. That's why minus 40. This is 70. What it will be? Minus minus plus 3 and 6 4 10 minus 103 by 70. That's right. You can write it in mixed fraction. So what it will be? 70 ones are 70, 0. Okay. Now what is remaining? What it will be? Do fast. Subtract 103 minus 70. What it will be? 3. And 10 minus 3 is 3. That's right. Clear? This is minus because this is negative number. So our answer will be minus 133 by 70. That's right. It's C and D part you will be doing in homework. Question number 4, C and D part. Because these all questions are similar, students. So you can do by your own. It's your practice also. Okay. Next question number 5, simplify. Its A part is 3 by 4 plus minus 4 by 9 minus 7 by 4. Okay, we have to take out the LCM. Same. 494 LCM will be 36. 36. You can find it out the LCM. And there is a way to understand. 4 LCM will be 4 and 4 9 never lie in the same table, so their product will be its LCM. 4 9s are 36. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Again, 36 will be divided by 4. 4, how many times 36 will lie in the table of 4? 9 times. 9 will be multiplied with 3. 9 3s are 27. Plus 36 divided by 9, 4. 4 multiplied by minus 4. Minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. That's right. Now minus. Again 36 will be divided by 4. That is 9. 9 multiplied by 7, 63. Clear? Now what we will be doing? 27 plus minus minus 16 minus 63 upon 36. What it will be? Minus minus will be plus. So minus 16 and minus 63 will be added. Minus 69 and 6 and 1, 7. Minus 79 by 36. Now we can subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Bigger digit is 79. In front of it is minus sign. So what it will be? Minus 52 by 36. Now we can convert it into simplest form. Okay. 4 ones are 4 and 1 is remaining. 12. 4 3s are 12 and 4 9s are 36. What will be? Minus 13 upon 9. Now we are writing it in mixed fraction. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 is better. So minus 1, 9, 4. What will be the answer? Minus 1, 4 by 9. Is it clear? B part is minus 3 by 18 plus minus 2 by 9 minus 2 by 3. Again we have to take out the LCM. 9, 18 and 3. 18 will lie in the table of 3, in the table of 9 and 18 itself. So what will be the LCM? 18. 9 2s are 18, 3 6 are 18, and 18 ones are 18. 18 will be divided by 18 is 1. 1 will be multiplied with minus 3. This will be minus 3. That's right. Plus 18 will be divided by 9. That is 2. 2 multiplied by minus 2. That will give us minus 4. Minus 18 will be divided by 3. That is 6. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. That's right. This is minus 3, minus 4, minus 12 by 18. So what it will be? minus 12, minus 4, minus 16, because all the minus are there and they will be added with each other. 12, 4, 16, 16 and 9, 16 and 3, 19. That will be minus 19 by 18. That's right. No need to write down negative numbers in the mixed fraction. If you are writing, there is no problem. But don't, if you don't want to write, there is also no problem. C part is homework. Question number 5, C part. Because similar to B part and A part. Question number 5, C part. I will give you more parts. I want to see which are similar parts. That one I will write. Now I am going to explain. D part also you will be doing homework. Okay? E part I am going to explain. Otherwise, if the people will not do the practice. If I will be give homework, then only you will be do the practice. E part is 4 1 by 3 into 6 by 3 plus 4 by 7. That's right. First we will be convert mixed fraction into improper. How will we convert? 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 3. Multiply. What it is? 3 and 7. Inside the bracket, the plus sign is there. So we will be add both the rational number by taking out LCM. That is 21. 6 7s are 42. And 4 3s are 12. That's right. This is 13 by 3 multiply 42 plus 12. What it will be? 42 and 10. 52. 52 plus 2 is 54 by 21. That's right. This is 5 plus 4 is 9. So it can be cancelled out by 3. Okay. 3 1s are 3 and 2 3 8s are 24 and 3 7s are 21. 3 6 are 18. So 13 6 are 78 by 7. 13 6 are 78. That is 1 1 1 by 7. 11 7s are 77 plus 1 78 by 7. I hope so you understood the question. F part is minus 22 by 16 multiply 16 by 22 minus 3 by 11. First of all, what we will be doing? We will be solved inside the bracket. Minus 22 by 16. This is of subtraction, so we will be take out the LCM, that is 22. 16 minus 22 will be divided by 11, that is 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. That's right. This is minus 22 by 16 multiplied. 16 minus 6 is 10 by 22. 22 ones are 22 minus 1. 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. What will be the answer? Minus 1 will be multiplied with 5. That will give you minus 5 by 8. This is your answer. Do you understand this question? Okay. Now I am going to explain G part. G part is minus 7 by 8 multiply 4 by 5 multiply 8 by 20. That's right. What we will be do? All are in multiplication. We can solve first of all inside the bracket. 4 1s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So what will be remaining? Minus 7 by 8. This is always in front of us. Into 1 by 5 into 8 by 5. That's right. 8 will be cancelled out by 8 1. 7 minus 7 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. This 5 is off outside side. Don't get confused. Okay. So what it will be? Minus 7 by 5 5s are 25. This will be the answer. Is it clear? Minus 7 by 12 multiply 6 by 7 divide 5 by 6. Okay, within the bracket division is there, so we will be follow the rule for the division when it is given a fraction. 6 by 7 as it is, we will be write down this sign, we are converting into multiplication. Multiply. So we will be write down the reciprocal of 5 by 6. What it will be? 6 by 5. What it will be? 6 by 5. Exactly opposite. Whatever is in numerator, it will comes in denominator, and whatever is in denominator, it will be goes in numerator. So what is it? Nothing will be cancelled out. So we are opening the bracket minus 7 by 12 into 6 by 7 into 6 by 5. That's right. 7 ones are 7 minus 1. 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. And 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. Minus 1 multiplied by 1 minus 1 multiplied by 3, that will be gives you minus 3, and 5 ones are 5. That's right, this will be your answer. I hope so you understood, and you will be do these questions positively in your notebook. Note it down, students. Strengthen. Now whatever we have covered, you have to revise positively, beta. It's my humble request to you, because this is mathematics. Mathematics is mainly practice-based subject. So you will be do whatever the homework I have given, and all the example what we have covered, and I told you you have to do. So I hope so you will be do. Thank you. Have a nice day.